Here we go! Fire in the hole!
50 pounds of tannerite. Oh. Oh! Holy shit! And here comes this big fucking cloud of dust. Oh god, here it comes, and